Local government minister and ally of President Emerson Mnangagwa, Tanya Ugarwe, has publicly endorsed Mnangagwa for continued rule, describing his leadership as divinely appointed. Sanapinda mashoko atuna kuti aiwa maministers atiloya kune mutungamiri wenyika andonyanya kutosvota vakomana aiwa wamoziva kuti vari loya kuna general but people vari against the third term bid. Not subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Kuti mina munao munogwa muchinzi. Garo emphasized that removing Mnangagwa from power would be no easy task, as he is appointed by God. Speaking to a gathering of councillors, Garo linked the ruling party's Vision 2030 agenda to divine intervention. Vision 2030 is not just the president's plan, it is born from divine visions. The one who anointed him, God shows him these visions, Garo declared. Leaders are chosen by God, and we, the people, are here to support what God has chosen for us. This is why, no matter how much you want to fight the anointed leader, after elections, he will still stand. Garo's remarks came on the first day of ZANU-PF's annual conference in Bulawayo, where growing tensions between Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga are expected to dominate. The two have been vying for control of the party, with Mnangagwa accused of reneging on a 2017 agreement to step down for Chiwenga after they jointly orchestrated the military coup that ousted long-term leader Robert Mugabe. Thomas wanobuda panapa ari kutaurwa zvinzi aiwa vakomana apa vari pamahwani vari panguva yakaoma. Vatiri kuona kuti aiwa this Garo ari kuitaura mashoko ekuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika Mnangagwa havabvisiki noda kuti vakaiswa vari anointed by the Almighty. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu. Subscribe or like